The Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Explorer sets a new benchmark for fast charging, 210W. When the USB announced plans for adding a power delivery profile for 240W charging, we thought it was something for the future. The standard way of doing things may indeed be something for the future, but today brings us almost at that point with the new Redmi Note 12 Explorer. This phone is based on the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, which also debuts today, but ups the charging speed from 120W to 210W. The battery capacity does go down from 5,000 mAh to 4,300 mAh as Xiaomi had to build a battery to very exacting requirements. With that in mind, a complete 0 to 100% charge with the Explorer takes only 9 minutes. By the 5-minute mark the phone is already at 66%. For comparison, the regular Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus needs 19 minutes for a full charge. Keep in mind that it is filling a battery that is 16% larger. By the way, this is proprietary Xiaomi tech rather than power delivery. The upcoming USB PD standard prescribes 50V at 5A, with some safety margin, for 240W. Xiaomi instead keeps the voltage low at 20V, which is pretty common these days and splits the electricity into 3 channels of 20V at 3.5A each, so 70W, but each channel is designed to handle up to 100W to ensure stable, safe operation. Also, the charger that pushes out those impressive 210W is surprisingly small thanks to the power of GaN technology. It measures 67.3 x 64.3 x 30 mm. Unlike some other super fast chargers, this one promises to output its full 210W even in countries with 110V electrical grid. The supplied 1 meter 3.3 feet cable has an eMark chip to make sure it is used safely only with supported chargers. The charger will refuse to do 210W without the eMark. For other devices the charger can output a standard 65W using USB PD. Now that you have heard all about the amazing charger and battery, all there is left to talk about is the price of the Redmi Note 12 Explorer. It really is identical to the 12 Pro Plus in all other respects. The Explorer will be available from October 31st at a price of 2,400 Chinese yuan for an 8/256GB unit. Pre-orders are opening today. The Euro trademark S barely above the price of a Pro Plus with the same memory, 2,200 Chinese yuan. If you are Euro trademark curious, 2,400 Chinese yuan converts to $330/A330, but we Euro trademark not sure if the Explorer will be available outside of China. A quick summary of the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus/12 Explorer specs. They pack a 200MP main camera, 1/1.4A ISOCELL HPX sensor, f/1.7 lens with OIS, which is paired with an 8MP ultra-wide camera, 119A degree, and a 2MP macro cam. The phones are powered by the Dimensity 1080, a revamped 920, and have 6.67A 120Hz OLED displays, 10-bit panels, Dolby Vision support. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.